What's up, everybody? I'm down in Seguin, Texas at the Geronimo Creek Retreat. They're one of our customers at Texas Media Group. They've advertised in our magazine and they've done some stuff on the internet with us, and they gave me a free weekend here. It's a really cool place down over there by the water. You have a bunch of kayaks and tubes and cool stuff that you can do. But the main reason I'm here is to shoot some Milky Way and some cool landscape stuff. And so my good friend Erin, she's in here editing right now. She's my tour guide for the weekend. Last night we went and shot some cool astro, got some good Milky Way stuff. I tried to share that with you guys, but the GoPro sucks at nighttime. Couldn't get anything at all, but we went down, we got in the river, we got some pretty cool shots, and we're gonna share those with you here in a little bit. We're heading to Garner State Park. It's about 2 hours from Seguin. Unfortunately, all the really good spots are 2 hours from where I'm staying. We got back to Geronimo Creek, the place I'm staying, at 5 in the morning. But Erin had to drive almost another hour to get home. Like, I'm pretty sure she watched the sun come up. But we got some good Milky Way stuff. So here's our first spot for the night. We're somewhere near Rio Frio. We thought this little really still pond would be a good spot, but the Milky Way is actually right over here. But that's when we found this crazy stump that looks like a petrified monster. We're at our second spot for the night. We're here in between Sabinal and Hondo on this little highway. I know it's crazy dark, but this is this old abandoned gas station, and we have a whole bunch of sunflowers, and it's all grown up. Check this out. Walk through here. Some old gas pumps. Whole bunch of just dilapidated, you know, people have pulled parts off. Cool old gas sign, and then the buildings all been gone through and windows are busted out, but we have some really good Milky Way right above this building. Look inside of here, it's all demolished, old coke, broken glass everywhere. So this whole night we've been hearing something shuffling around, and he finally shows himself. Check out this big old armadillo. Oh, he's so cool. What's up, guy? Oh. Okay, so that's about it for this spot. I think I got maybe 3 winners. Erin, I know she got at least 1 that I helped her frame. It was such a cool shot. But there's like 2 hours to get back to Seguin, and then she has almost an hour drive home, and it's already 1 a.m. So we're gonna call it a night. Tomorrow, I think the plan is to go do some like daytime waterfall stuff. I know so far in this video there's been like no shooting of us because it's been at nighttime and you can't see anything because the GoPro sucks at low light. So anyway, we'll see you in the morning. So it's my last day in the hill country for this trip. I think today's plan is to go to Pedernales Falls. Erin said she knows the place pretty well and has some really good spots we can set up some long exposure water stuff. But real quick, I do want to show you around this really cool little room that I'm staying in. I'm at Geronimo Creek in Seguin, Texas. This is one of their getaway cabins, and it's basically a really big tent up on stilts. It's fully furnished, so you have AC that works well, Wi-Fi, you have a fridge, microwave, TV, all of that good stuff. The bed's really comfy, plus it's really clean. I haven't seen a single bug in this whole room, even at nighttime with the lights on the whole time I've been down here. They also have kayaks and a really pretty river you can go swim in or play in, and they have quite a few other accommodations too. Over here to the right, way over there, they have these really cool fully furnished teepees. It's kind of the same thing as my room. You have AC and everything in those as well. And then down there, you can see some of the kayaks. We'll get a little bit closer to that in a second. So after 3 days, Erin finally shows me a place that she's been to before instead of just wandering around aimlessly. Okay, so that was a really cool spot. We're gonna grab some food and go to our real destination, Pedernales Falls. So here we are, the main attraction of the park. In our summer issue of the magazine, we actually featured this as our featured state park for the issue. And I've never been here before, but this section is nothing like the photos, probably nothing like the video. It's massive, it's so cool.
But you gotta help me down. Can you get down?
Yeah, I can get down there. Guess I'm doing the rest of the evening alone. Just can't make it down. It's a sad day. Look, I'm about to catch an awesome sunset and some cool waterfall, and she's just gonna have to stand there. All right, sunset's about over with. This is an awesome location because right now, this time of the year, the sun is directly centered with its spot. And with that sunset comes the end of my trip to the hill country for the 2019 Milky Way season. I was also so stoked to come out here to Pedernales Falls State Park for the first time. If you've never been, you have to come check it out. It's absolutely breathtaking, and if you shoot photos, there's no way you could shoot a bad photo out here. There's just so many of these cool little pools and running water everywhere. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. It's so loud. It's absolutely beautiful, so make sure to check it out if you're ever down here in the hill country.